Good afternoon, people. Afternoon na ba? Morning pa pala. Good morning. 11 pa. Tapos na ako maligo. Blino-dry ko lang yung buhok ko. May pupuntahan kami ni Dan. Tapos mamayang gabi, footy. So, susunduin kami ng best friend niya. Alas 5. Try natin to, guys. Galing to Charis. I-leave ko yung link nito sa description box. Pero first time ko pa siya itatry. Hindi ko na siya alam paano basahin. Accoje. Arte. Accoje mo mukha mo. Ano siya? Sunscreen. So, try natin siya. Ang cute niya, oh! Wala, parang gusto ko tuloy ganito yung kulay ng kuko. Magpapanail sana ako today. Kaya lang nga, si Dan, meron siyang gustong bilhin na kailangan ngayon talaga namin i-check. So, pupuntahan namin yun. Yan yung consistency niya. Ayay, napadami ata yung lagay ko da. Ay, in fairness. May cooling effect siya. Nafe-feel ko siya agad-agad. Yung kay Belo kasi, kapag yun yung ginamit ko, mabuti tingnan yung mukha ko. Ito ano siya, puti yung kulay niya, as you saw. Pero, hindi siya like nag-a-add ng pigment ba? Parang nag-blend lang siya sa skin. Na-absorb lang siya ng skin agad-agad. In fairness naman sa kanya. Notice ko ngayon sa mga lumang pimple ko, kapag nagiging okay na sila, meron siyang tinitirang bump. Parang nagiging milya. So yan, meron siyang bump. Tingnan nyo, nakikita nyo? So hindi pa siya fully scar kasi meron pa siyang laman. Plano ko nga anuhin siya i-poke siya ba para lumabas yung laman. Para maging scar na lang talaga siya. Ito, scar na talaga to. In fairness, dito sa sunscreen na to, hindi harsh yung amoy niya. Tapos, ang cute ng packaging niya. In fairness. Alright, mag-makeup lang ako saglit. Ito na laging ginagamit ko sa eyebrows ko, guys. Yung Perfect Brows from Generation Happy Skin. From the arch to the tip. See, sobrang dali lang. Pwede nga lang, ganyan lang eh. Kung gusto ko talagang hindi masyadong OA yung makeup ko. Parang i-feel lang yung tip ba. Tapos okay na ako. Kasi may shape na naman yung brows ko. See, may shape siya. Tapos meron din akong brows. Pag natamaan nga lang siya ng ilaw, parang nawawala siya. So parang, kung titignan, parang kalbo. Hindi naman siya kalbo. Sobrang nipis lang talaga niya. Tapos, dun sa inner corner na, yung ginagamit ko is itong light. Ito naman galing kay K Palette. Tapos, very light niya kasi. So, nilalagay ko siya dito. Para hindi masyadong harsh yung brows natin. Ano lang ako? Sulat-sulat. Sulat-sulat. What time do you think we'll be back here, babe?
What's the time now?
11? 20?
2:30, 3 o'clock.
Okay, alright.
Get your coffee yet?
No, can you prepare my coffee, please? Gamitin ko to actually. Matagal ko na to hindi nagamit. Hourglass na Ambient Lighting Blush. Diffused Heat yung shade. Kasi lagi na tayong naka-drunk blush. Try naman natin to. Wala akong concealer, ha? Wala. Ano lang tayo ngayon? Yung mukha lang talaga natin. And sunscreen. And then, mag-lepets tayo. Mag-lepets. Gamit ko Maybelline Matte Ink shade Amazonian. Yan na muna. Magkape tayo, guys. We are heading to... Where are we going, my love? Can you explain to them where we're going?
Chips Cross.
What are we doing?
Looking for a TV.
He wants a new TV.
Raz broke our TV. She got angry last night and threw something at it. No, we need a new TV. Our TV's old.
Kapuya, dyan ni mo, Dani. Ay, di dyan katarog storya ni mo, ay. Di dyan katarog vlog. Our TV's not broken.
It's not broken, it's just old.
Yeah.
10 years old.
10 years na daw yung TV namin.
Or 11 years.
Yeah.
10 or 11.
Hindi ka naman kasi ako nanonood ng TV. So, hindi ko talaga siya, like, para sa akin, there's really nothing wrong with it. Pero sabi ni Dan, gusto niya bumili ng bago para for like a better viewing experience.
I blame Tony.
So, kaya
I blame Tony.
Kasi. Joke lang. Okay lang naman. Nung sinabi niya sa akin na 10 years old na siya, So sabi ko, okay, bili tayo ng bagong TV. Gusto mo yan eh. Pero sabi ko, hindi naman tayo nanonood ng TV. We don't really watch TV. Only during football season. But, most of the time, especially if our team is playing here, we go to the Oval to watch them. So like, minsan lang talaga kami nanonood ng TV. If we watch Netflix, we use the iPad.
But now we can watch it on the big TV. Be like the cinemas.
How big is this TV, my love?
We'll see.
Gusto niya bumili. Kagabi niya sinabi sa akin, after nila manood ng footy kagabi kina Tony, sabi niya, Raz, we will get a new TV tomorrow.
Yeah. It was really good watching footy on the big TV. It was.
Our TV is not small at all. It's big as well.
It's small.
Our TV?
Yeah, that's small.
Naliliit doon siya sa TV.
That's small these days. That was like standard 10 years ago. It's small.
You got that TV 10 years ago? That's a bloody good one, babe. Like, for that old.
That was 10 years ago.
Yeah. No, like para sa akin wala talaga siyang ano, pero gusto niya bumili ng bago eh. So, bili tayo ng bagong TV, guys. Tapos kapag siya nag-ano, agad.
Sorry?
If you want something, you just want it right away and like get it
Oh, but there's
tomorrow.
Yeah, we don't.
It's good. It's fine, babe.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. What are we gonna do with the old TV, my love?
If you want an old TV, contact Raz. We'll mail it to the Philippines. Just kidding. It'll cost a fortune. We'll just give it away. I was gonna leave it on the road.
Yeah, someone will pick it up.
Pick it up.
Yeah. But if it's an old TV, babe.
Yeah, I'm gonna be stuck. It's cars. Come on.
Yeah, so pupunta kami ng Jeps Cross. And we didn't fight last night. Buang lagi ni siya.
Fight?
You said we had a fight last night and then I smashed the TV.
No, I was just lying.
Such a liar, mala. We got home really late last night. May time pa ba tayo mag-away no?
Lara's ribs, fantastic. Thank you, Lara.
Yeah, really good. Thank
Really
you, Lai. I will do that. I will follow the same recipe. She taught me how to do it.
Even the sauce is very important.
It's very tight. Yeah, the sauce is like just a store-bought sauce. A combination of two sauces.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah, no, it's really good. She showed me how to do it and it looks really easy. So
Where did I get the ribs from?
Just at Coles.
Really?
The one that you had last night, she got it from Foodland. But she said the Coles one is better because it's bigger.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's cheap as well, babe. Like, how much do you think that one is?
I don't know.
Just guess.
$8.
Oh yeah, around that.
Was it?
Yeah.
Good guess.
Ay, nako. So, bibili kami ng TV. Kami na talaga ang bibili ng TV, guys. Bibili kami ng TV. And then, alam nyo ba yung plano sana namin? Mauuna pa tuloy yung TV kaysa sa cookware. We will get a new TV. And how about our cookware? Our cookware set. We need that as well.
We can have a look while we're out. They got Charis scarves here as well.
Yeah, but we have,
What?
I need to do something mamaya kaya hindi kami pwedeng sobrang late kasi may footy pa kami. So we have what? 2-3 hours of shopping? 1, 2, 3.
It's up to you. Christian doesn't pick us up till 5.
Okay.
Whatever. I'm not fussed.
Yeah. Naubos na yung internet ko, guys. Yung monthly allowance ko na internet sa mobile ko kasi ginamit ko siya kasi daily vlog pa more. Ginamit ko siya sa sa isang video ko na kailangan kong i-edit siya ba, tapos hindi na kaya ng home internet namin kasi medyo mabagal siya, mas mabilis talaga yung mobile data. So ginamit ko yung mobile data ko, na excess na ako, nakabayad na ako ng $10. So dito kapag, depende sa network mo, sa akin Telstra, kapag naka-over ka ng 1 gigabyte is $10. So nakabayad na ako ng $10. So ngayon, naka-off na yung mobile data ko. Kapag nasa labas ako, nagpapa-mobile hotspot ako kay Dan. Kasi naubos na siya. And I still have like 15 days to go. Halfway pa ako ng billing period ko. Or billing cycle. Pag ilang tunog na yun, Dani, ha? Wait a bit. Okay, connected. Dito na kami guys. Harvey Norman muna kami. Tapos i-check daw din namin yung Good Guys. And it's busy. Dito na kami guys sa mga TV. Mamahal ang mga TV do. 4,995. Naka-sale na yan. Ay, hindi pa pala. Oh yeah. From 5,784. What brand are you looking for? Samsung? What brand do we have now?
Sorry?
What brand do we have now? Ano mga presyohan nito? Yung Samsung,
That's not even that expensive.
Yeah, 2,300. Sabi ni Dan kasi yung
2,700? That's not even that
budget niya 3K. What's your budget, my love?
Don't know. A little bit for
Huh. Char. Yaman naman ito. Ito.
I know. It's crazy.
Mahal naman yan,
Look at
babe.
that, so, look at that. Like, just...
Yan yung gusto niya, yung better viewing experience daw. Char, kaayo siya, oy. 10,000. Ayan, oh, ang laki. That one, that's a big one.
I know, I like this one as well.
You like that one?
That looks good.
3,300. This one's 3,500.
75.
What brand is that one?
That's Samsung, that's Sony.
Sony? This one? Ito 4,300. This one 4,300. Oh. Sony. It has a local delivery bonus, my love.
Oh, we just chuck in the back of the car. Should be alright. So that one has that QLED, what Lara say?
Okay. So, pinagpipilian namin ngayon is ito, Samsung pareho. Pareho yung size, 75 inches. Ito siya, 4246. Sabi ni Kuya, mas, ano yung color niya? Mas maganda daw yung color compared dun. Tapos yung processor, something like that. And that's originally 4,900. 4,200 na lang siya. That one was originally 3,700. 3,300 na lang siya. What are you thinking? Do you like this one? Sabi niya, ganyan daw kalayo dapat manood ng TV. Test, babe, test. Wow. Push mo yan. People are looking at you. Just kidding. Oh, good, my love. Pupunta pa kami sa kabila. Check naman anong presyuhan. Pero gusto niya, yun. Yung 3,388. Yung diferensya lang daw kasi sa kanilang dalawa, yung kulay lang naman. Eh parang wala naman, oy. O, tingnan nyo yan. At saka tingnan nyo yan. Tapos it's like $1,000 difference.
You want to get like a sound bar as well, mate?
Sound bar? Ikaw na talaga, babe. Like that? Ito?
I'm not fussed on the sound bar because...
JBL. Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, that's not bad.
$795. Hala, ang mamahal din, ha?
Nah, we'll just get like a cheapy one.
Yeah, like this one. Oh, that's $399. Oh, that one. What brand is this?
Yamaha.
Yamaha? Wag yan, Yamaha, babe. Pang brand man yan sa motor. That's like a motorcycle brand. Dito naman tayo sa The Good Guys. Nandun yung Harvey Norman dun. Dito naman tayo. Check natin kung ano meron sila. Ito na yung iniisip ni Dan na bilhin ngayon. Nag-iba na yung isip niya. 4415. Sony siya. We're back here. So, Samsung QLED it is. Kasi yung Sony doesn't have QLED. They only have LED. Right? And sabi ni Kuya, this is better for, like, better color daw. Kasi nga QLED siya. Pwede mo siya i-connect sa soundbar. Tapos better daw siya sa glare. Eh, meron kaming glare problem sa bahay. Kasi nga, diba, sa lounge siya nakalagay. Tapos, may glare from the window. So, he's thinking of getting this one. 4245. Galing siyang 5 something ata. Oh no, galing siyang 49. Tapos naka 15% off sila ngayon. Looks like we're getting a sound bar as well. Look at me. You look fine. Inano niya yung bini niya kasi hindi niya marinig. Look at me, babe. Para kang duwende. Ano, bibilhin daw din namin to guys. Siya na talaga. $7.95 yung soundbar. $4,245 yung TV. But it sounds really good with the soundbar, as in. You happy, babe?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. Definitely expensive.
Yeah, but you said we will keep it for 10 years.
I think we need a soundbar.
Char. Do you want to give them an update, my love?
Sure. We now are proud owner of a TV. Woohoo. Woohoo.
We are heading to pick up the sound bar. So yung TV i-deliver nila bukas, guys. And I think everyone's like, you know, doing stuff like in a hurry because it's the end of the financial year bukas.
What's happening here?
Why?
I think we're lost.
May nasiraan, guys. Nandun si Dan sa labas. Tulong siya ng pagtulak. Kasi nasiraan sila. Take over muna ako. Yung isang lalaki, Good Samaritan din yan. Tumulong din siya. Bumaba din siya galing sa car niya. Parang hindi umaandar yung car nila. Kawawa naman si ate. Bahay na pala kami, guys. Chill-chill na si Danny Boy. May tatapusin lang ako. Ito pala yung TV namin. So, Dan said this one is 10 years old. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Ito pa yung galing sa pinakaunan niyang bahay. And, ano siya? LG na 55 inches, you said?
I think it is. 50, 55.
Yeah, so gusto niya mas malaki. Yan. So, and then this is what I'm talking about. Merong glare, guys. Kikita niyo ba yan? Walang glare ngayon kasi hindi maliwanag. Pero during the day, hindi din naman kasi ako nanonood ng TV. Pero kapag may mga bisita during the day ba, which is very rare naman sa amin. Pero kapag pumupunta sila dito, inoon namin yung TV. Yung nakikita ko yan, yung mga bamboo sa likod. Kasi glare siya. May glare. Pero sabi ni Kuya, yung Samsung daw yung pinaka-the best sa glare. Darating siya bukas. Yung TV, i-deliver nila bukas for free. They're doing free delivery right now kasi end of financial year. So, ang dami lang pagana para bumili yung mga tao. And then they were having 15% off as well kanina.
The TV was originally 5.
Yeah, originally 4.9 something. So, yeah, originally 5. And then we got it for 4. And then the sound bar was around 1,000 plus. And then we got it for 700, I think originally. And I'm not sure. Pero basta 700.
No, it was 795. I got it for 700.
No, but that was the sale price.
That was the sale price.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was the original price?
I think maybe 1,000 plus. I don't know. Anyway, yung soundbar, na namin, dala-dala na namin kasi pinick up namin siya kanina. Yung TV yung i-deliver bukas. So, isi-set up natin yung TV bukas. And, tingnan natin. He's excited for his TV. You excited, my love? Is it gonna be for the better viewing experience, my love?
It will be.
Char and buang. Guys, it's hailing. May mga ice. Tingnan nyo. Kita nyo ba? It's hailing, babe.
Go outside.
Huh?
Go outside.
No. I see, nandun. Yeah. Nandun sa table.
Sometimes you get heaps.
I know, but right
Have
now.
you been in hail before?
No.
Go on it, it hurts. Nah, I don't know.
Wala na, that's it. Oh my gosh, good luck sa footy mamaya. Ang lamig-lamig nito. Nakita nyo ba yung hail, guys? Wala na, bigla na lang siyang nag-melt. Kasi konti lang sila. Wala na, na-melt na din yung nasa table, babe. No more hail. Guys, napunta kami sa footy. Hinihintay na lang namin yung best friend niya. Ito yung pa-aking outfit of the day. Sobrang lamig din. As in, sobra. Lamig na nga dito sa loob ng bahay kasi hindi namin inon yung heater kasi alis din naman kami. I'm wearing this, parang siyang jeans or pants from Yes Style. Ano siya, makapal siya. Parang meron siyang ganyan na material sa loob. Yan. First time ko siyang gagamitin actually kasi sobrang lamig talaga today. I will be wearing my combat boots as well kasi ayoko na may mga skin na nakikita dyan. I usually just wear my Converse but not today. And then I'm wearing this. Ano siya, I think galing siyang
Hindi ko na matandaan. Cotton on or spray. And then I'm wearing another layer underneath. And then I'm wearing this. Kasi uulan. Uulan actually. I'm wearing a beanie. And then meron pa akong ganito. And then the bag that I will wear today is this one. Yung bag na wala akong pakialam kapag nabasa. Kasi uulan nga. And kailangan ko din ng medyo malaking bag kasi nandito yung aking gloves. Susuot din ako ng ano mamaya, scarf. And then nandito yung ponchos. Dalawang ponchos para sa akin at saka Dan. And then I'm bringing 2 of these. Galing Daiso, ano siya? Peel and stick na body warmer. Ayan siya guys. So isi-stick mo siya sa loob para you're warm. So I'm bringing 2 of those. And that's it. Pagdating ni Christian, we will go. I'm ready.
Alright, do me.
Char. Wow.
I'm wearing my jacket from New York.
Yo.
It's a camo green. It's really warm.
That's good.
My New York Giants beanie.
Yeah.
Really good. Jeans. We only have one pair of jeans.
You have
Jumper
more.
with a bit of sheepskin. At the back
Yeah.
there, just to warm it up.
Never tear us apart. That's right. That's right.
That's right. That's my outfit of the day. Done.
What shoes are you wearing, my love?
My basketball, black Adidas. Basketball shoes.
Yeah.
How we do it?
Charis.
How we gonna win?
We're gonna win. We better win.
5 goals.
We better win, babe.
So we better
It's
win.
freezing.
Yeah, we'll win.
Are you bringing gloves, babe?
Nope.
I have space in my bag.
Okay. Where are my gloves?
Should be there, my love.
That's not it.
Yeah.
Are they? No,
Yeah.
I got another pair. I thought. I got another pair. Of
That's a
gloves.
good pair. That's from H&M.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that'll do.
Para kang biker. Motorbiker. Motorbiker. Oh, good?
It's all good.
We are here.
Good, Mum.
No, I'm not eating. Did you get your TV up and running or? No, not yet. We'll get it tomorrow. Guys, bahay na kami. Natalo kami. Sobrang confident pa naman kami kanina na mananalo kami. Yung laro sobrang tsaka. Sinad kanina, tawa ako ng tawa. Kasi kapag namali yung team niya, sabi niya, tsaka. Tawa ako ng tawa. Parang tayo lang nakakaintindi niyan. Ano, lagi niya sinasabi yung tsaka, guys. Tapos sa work niya daw. One time daw sa work, sabi niya, it's a tsaka weather today. Tapos na-realize niya siya. Tagalog pala yun. Hindi nga siya like, yeah, Tagalog siya, pero hindi siya like proper na ano, diba? Tagalog word, parang ano siya, gay language siya sa Pinas. Anyway, wala, natawa lang ako dun. I was reading comments sa video today. Hina-heart ko pala lahat ng nababasa ko, hina-heart ko. So, kapag hindi ko yan na-heart, hindi ko yan nabasa. May mga hindi ako na-heart na nabasa ko kapag pinakita sa akin ni Dan. Pero, yung ako talaga, chinek-check ko sa phone ko, while nanonood ako ng vlog, inaano ko siya, hina-heart ko siya kapag nabasa ko. Not, kapag hina-heart ko, it doesn't mean na, like, I agree sa comment. Kasi may mga comment doon na, like, I don't agree at all. Pero hina-heart ko siya just to, like, let you guys know na nabasa ko yung comment. May nag-comment doon na, someone commented in the video, babe, like, you should bring your family from the Philippines in Australia. You're enjoying your improved life too much. Guys, hindi nyo lang alam. Ito ha, kasi pangalawa na ako na ata nabasa yan. Okay lang naman sabihin na, uy, dalhin mo naman yung pamilya mo. Huwag nang like, mag-side comment pa ng mga nega. Kasi hindi nyo alam kung ano talaga nangyayari. Matagal ko na silang gustong papuntahin. Like, matagal na. Sobrang tagal na. Nung ready na ako, nung like, okay na ako na, alam mo yun, yung, okay na ako financially na i-provide sila, yung mga ticket nila. Sinabi ko agad-agad. Tapos nagpadala ako agad-agad ng pera. O, yan, para sa passport niyo. Para hindi na sila like, maano ba, na mag-isip ba na hala, mag-ano pa ako ng pera para passport ko. So, ako na bahala dun lahat. Meron na guys, matagal na. Ayaw nila. Ayaw nila. Wala pang passport. Si Marlon lang yung merong passport. Yung ibang mga lalaki, wala pa. Kasi ayaw nila. Kinunan na sila ni Miss ng appointment para pumunta sa embassy para kumuha ng passport. Hindi nila pinuntahan. Siguro 2 appointments na yung kinuha ni Miss para sa kanila. Hindi nila pinuntahan. And we can only do so much, right? Hindi naman namin like, pwedeng kami na lang lahat gumawa para sa kanila. Hindi naman pwedeng kami yung pumunta sa embassy para kunin yung passport nila. Kung ayaw nila, ayaw nila. Parang feeling ko din, okay lang din sa kanila kasi lagi naman kaming umuwi. So, lagi naman nila kaming nakikita. Si Dan, like, sabi niya talaga, papuntahin mo yung family mo dito, walang problema. Anytime, kung sabihin nila sa akin na, oh, pupunta na kami dyan, like, walang problema talaga, wala talagang problema. So, sana naman, like, iwasan yung mga ganyang comment, lalo na kung hindi nyo alam talaga kung anong nangyayari. Kasi kapag mga pamilya-pamilya, medyo, alam mo yun, napapareply talaga ako. So, nag-reply ako. Pero hindi naman yung rude yung pagka-reply ko. Sinabi ko lang na life is too good to not enjoy. So, alam nga naman hindi ko i-enjoy yung life ko kasi wala dito yung pamilya ko kasi hindi ko pinapunta dito. Alam mo yun, like, pahirapan din kasi yung appointment eh. Pero kahit na, kasi nga nakakuha na kami ng appointment, hindi pa din pinuntahan. So, wala talaga silang, wala talaga silang plano pumunta. Parang, iniisip siguro nila, anong pupunta namin dyan. Diba? Alam mo yun? Pero yeah, very welcome sila dito. Anytime talaga. Pag sinabi nila, apply na tayo ng visa, like, walang problema. Ako bahala lahat. Tingnan nyo yung lips ko. Nandito pa din yung kinain ko kanina. Hotdog guys. Yung crunch skin, ang laki. As in, kain talagang kain. Dito yung tattoo na Amazonian. Ganda, diba? Dito pa din siya. And para kung basang sisiw kanina, buti na lang nagbini ako do. Okay lang kasi meron din namang hoodie yung ano ko. Pero, uy! Ito, ginamit ko siya. Nandito siya. Dito sa, ito. Tapos, nandito din sa likod. In fairness, umiinit siya. Galing. Ang galing. Diba? Bumili ako ng sobrang dami. Hindi pala stick. Hindi pala yung nagsistick. Ito, peel and stick talaga nakalagay, oh. Nabili ko to sa Daiso. Parang yung isang pack niya, merong 4 ata na ganito. I think 4 or 5. Tapos 2 yung laman nito guys. So, yung inopen ko yung packet kanina, meron siyang 2 laman. So, ilagay ko yung isa sa harap, isa sa likod. And in fairness, nakakatulong talaga siya. Nag-warm talaga siya. Anyway, yun na yung vlog guys. Sobrang salamat guys for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys hopefully bukas. Be good. Good night. Bye. Mwah.